going to start by making the Cajun spice. Into a bowl, I'm adding some black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne. Just give it a stir. And I've got cubed, boneless, skinless chicken breasts in this bowl. And I'll just sprinkle some of the Cajun spice over. And then just get the chicken coated. Now over here I've got olive oil and butter on pretty high heat in a big, heavy skillet. I'm not going to stir or disturb it at all. I just want to get it against the surface so it'll brown as quickly as possible. Chicken's gorgeous and golden. Take the chicken out of the pan, keep it on a separate platter. That butter gives it such a great color. So I can throw the veggies in here and get them going. Add red and green bell peppers. We want the sizzle. The sizzle is good. And purple onions. Then I'll add a good amount of garlic and a bunch of nice chopped Roma tomatoes. Okay, now we can give the veggies a stir. The peppers have a nice blackness going on, and that means flavor. Okay, take the veggies out of the pan before they turn to mush. Mushy peppers ruin my day. Now, this is my favorite part. See if you can guess what it is. I'll show you. Wine. Make sure the pan's really hot. I'm sorry, I couldn't speak for a minute. I love that sound and I love that smell. Delicious. Now I'm going to add a little broth. And then just let this bubble up and reduce until it becomes really, really thick. I'm going to go grab my other favorite part. Cream, heavy cream, not whole milk, not half and half. We'll add about a cup to the reduced sauce in the pan. And now that it's thick, I'm going to add in the chicken and the peppers. Okay, this is ready. We've got the chicken and the onions and the peppers, garlic, and the cream sauce. Time to put the pasta in. Look at there, guys! Hey! You guys have a sixth sense, I tell you. How are you?
Good.
How was your morning?
Good. Can I have the big blob of chicken, please?
You want a big piece of chicken? You hungry, Brycey?
Uh-huh.
You starving? You guys sit over there and I'll serve it up.
A lot of chicken.
Heavy on the chicken. Where'd your dad go, guys? Do you have to help Uncle Tim some more? Well, that means more pasta for us, right?
Yeah.
Sure. You want more pasta, more chicken, or more everything? Good. Hits the spot, doesn't it, kiddos?